Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn curiosity into capability. I'm Michael, and today we're not talking about shortcuts or get rich tricks. We're talking about skills, the kind that build real opportunities, help you land clients, and create value that lasts. Because here's the truth: AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who don't know how to use it. So today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to build freelance skills, step by step, skills that make you valuable, flexible, and future ready in any economy. Stay with me till the end. I'll also share a simple framework you can start applying tonight. Before we jump into tools and tactics, let's talk mindset. Freelancing isn't about luck, it's about problem solving. Clients don't hire freelancers because they own fancy gear or perfect resumes. They hire freelancers who can solve a problem quickly and clearly. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It's not about asking it to write something for you, it's about learning to ask the right questions, the kind that turn ideas into solutions. Here's how to start. Step 1. Pick one freelance skill you're curious about: writing, marketing, design, consulting, you name it. Step 2. Open ChatGPT and simply ask, act as a coach and show me how to improve my chosen skill step by step. You'll instantly get a guided roadmap, and that roadmap becomes your personal curriculum. This is how freelancers today learn faster than ever before, by letting AI turn uncertainty into structure. Writing is still the most powerful skill in the freelance world, from copywriting to client emails. And ChatGPT is your silent writing partner. Here's how to start. Ask ChatGPT to show you examples of different writing tones: professional, friendly, persuasive, storytelling. Then rewrite one paragraph in your own words, compare, adjust, repeat. You'll start feeling how tone, rhythm, and clarity shape your message. Then take it one step further. Give ChatGPT a real world challenge like, write a 3 email welcome series for a small bakery launching online. Read it. Then ask, how can I improve this to sound more human? That's how you train both your writing skill and your critical thinking. You're not letting AI do the job for you, you're letting it teach you how the job is done. You don't need to be a graphic designer to think creatively. Freelancers in every field need visual sense, and ChatGPT helps you build it fast. Try this. Ask ChatGPT to describe color palettes that match emotions. Then pair that with tools like Canva or Figma to create visuals that express tone, trust, excitement, calm, or focus. For example, ask, give me 5 mood board ideas for a health and wellness brand. You'll start understanding visual language, what colors, fonts, and layouts communicate subconsciously. That understanding alone sets you apart from 80% of beginners who just guess and post. Every freelancer, whether a designer, writer, or consultant, eventually markets themselves. And marketing isn't manipulation, it's communication with clarity and empathy. ChatGPT helps you understand your audience like a professional. Here's how. Ask, who is the ideal audience for a small handmade jewelry brand? Then, what kind of stories would emotionally connect with them? Now, you're not just learning what to sell, you're learning how to speak to people. Take it further. Ask ChatGPT to create a sample content calendar or campaign idea. Study it. Notice the flow, the messaging, the timing, then build your own version. That process, analyze, learn, apply, is how marketing becomes a skill, not a mystery. One of the most overlooked freelance skills is simple but powerful: how to talk to clients. Most freelancers lose projects not because they're bad, but because they can't express their value clearly. Use ChatGPT as your communication coach. Here's how to start. Ask, give me a polite response for a client who requests a discount. Or, how do I ask for clearer project requirements without sounding rude? You'll get examples you can adapt to your tone and personality. Over time, you'll notice a transformation. Your emails sound confident, your proposals feel professional, and your client conversations become smoother. That's the kind of confidence that no course or certificate can replace. Research is the hidden superpower behind every top freelancer, and ChatGPT turns research from chaos into clarity. Imagine you're asked to help a cafe improve its online reviews. You could spend hours searching Google, or you could ask ChatGPT, summarize 5 common reasons why small cafes struggle with online ratings and suggest practical solutions. Within seconds, you'll have insights you can build on. Fast. Then verify them. Cross-check with your own research, and you've just learned how to combine human reasoning with AI acceleration. That's professional grade problem solving, and the more you practice it, the more valuable you become. Even freelancers need structure, deadlines, deliverables, and workflows. ChatGPT can act like your personal productivity assistant. Try this prompt. Help me break down a 2-week project into daily tasks for a client website. You'll get a clear schedule with milestones. Ask follow-ups. How can I organize this in Notion or Trello? Suddenly, you're managing projects like a pro, and every client feels that professionalism. Consistency, reliability, and communication, these are the real skills that get you rehired again and again. Now, let's connect the dots. Each of these freelance skills, writing, design, marketing, communication, research, management, grows faster when you practice them together. With ChatGPT, here's a simple roadmap to start. Pick one project idea. Use ChatGPT to plan it. Goals, timeline, and deliverables. Apply your writing, design, and marketing skills to make it real. Review what worked. Ask ChatGPT how to improve next time. Every loop you complete builds momentum. It's not about perfection, it's about iteration, learning faster with AI as your co-pilot. Here's something most people miss. The future of freelancing isn't about competing with AI, it's about collaborating with it. Freelancers who thrive tomorrow are the ones who learn to think with AI. They don't just follow prompts, they build processes. They don't just take gigs, they create systems that scale their time and ideas. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I use AI to become 10x more creative, efficient, and valuable? That's the mindset that future-proofs your career. If this gave you clarity, hit like, share, and subscribe, because that's how YouTube knows you want more content that builds real-world skills, not hype. And remember, ChatGPT is not a shortcut. It's a smart tool, a reflection of how deeply you understand your craft. The more intentional you become, the more opportunities appear. So start small, start today, and let curiosity guide you forward. I'm Michael. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.